Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this particular episode we are going to discuss about cardio or aerobics versus weight training or strength training. Let us actually look as to why one needs to do these. We need to determine the objective first before we discuss into the details of what exactly we need to do and how much. There are various reasons why people do exercises. Some do for agility, some do for fitness, some do for the sake of losing weight, some do because the doctor told them to do for their heart, or some do for the sake of controlling their blood glucose levels, some do for the sake of just cosmetic reasons. So firstly, determine as to why you are doing. But having said that, we all need an element of cardio and an element of weight training as well, although in different proportions depending on what your objective is. To begin with, let us look at the various examples of cardio. As the name indicates, whatever you do in terms of running, jogging, brisk walking, in the gym, if you do treadmill, or if you are on the elliptical, if you play shuttle, swimming, dancing, all these come as cardio. Coming to the examples of your weight training or strength training, we do have what we do in the gym in terms of circuits or circuit training, what we do in the form of using weights, pulling, push-ups, pull-ups, and a few other aspects such as martial arts also come under the category of weight training or strength training. Having said that, some of these, or most of these for that matter, do involve a combination of these. For example, when you are using the rowing machine, you are doing cardio as well as weight training or strength training. So remember, without our knowledge, we might be doing a proportion of that and a proportion of this when we are training. So let us look at the benefits of cardio. Cardio helps burn your calories, burn your fat, improves your cardiovascular function in general, good for your blood sugar levels. It also helps you look good because it releases a lot of hormones which improve the glow on your face. It is good for sexual activity as well. Also, it also decreases the risk of future cancers. So cardiovascular exercise, or cardio as shortly we call it, is very good for all these. In general, it is good for health. Coming to the other important one, which is your weight training or strength training, it is good for your posture, good for your muscles, good to prevent falls, good for your bones because it improves osteoporosis and prevents osteoporosis. It also helps control your basal metabolism. That means you end up burning calories even at rest. So it in one way prevents obesity or helps treat obesity. Also, because of the muscles and the glucose that they consume, the blood glucose levels are also under good control. So if you speak about diabetes, both cardio as well as muscle building are very important. So ladies and gentlemen, we all need a combination of both cardio as well as muscle training or strength training. It all depends on what we want and aspire in terms of, is it just looks and big muscles that you want, or is it agility, fitness and good cardiovascular health that you want? That you need to balance out these in terms of the proportion of what you do in the gym or during your workouts. So think about these when you work out next and try to balance these in the right proportions. Take care.